Buddhism for beginners. Questions and answers. Live an awakened life. Be kind to yourself. Attain full enlightenment. Benefit all living beings. Chapter 1. Understanding Buddhism. Number 1. Buddhism and the Buddha. 1. Buddhism is known as one of the 3 major religions in the world, together with Christianity and Islam. Is that correct? Generally speaking, yes. Specifically, Buddhism is the teachings given by Shakyamuni Buddha, based on his realistic understanding of life and the universe. The sutras were spoken by the Buddha himself, which differ from scriptures of other religions recorded by disciples according to instructions from God or other deities.
Namo Amitabha. Namo Amitabha. Namo Amitabha. Namo